Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to create spaces on your Instagram caption. So let's start. First, open the Instagram app. Now tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen and select a picture. Now let's write a caption with space. I'll just create a line of space. And now let's post it. Now if you tap on more, you'll see that space has been created in our caption. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.